Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro here today. I'm going to be preparing for you Gamberi Scampi, which is shrimp scampi. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that we need. The ingredients: shrimps, butter, breadcrumb, olive oil, parsley, white wine, lemon juice, black pepper, salt, crushed red pepper, oregano, and chopped garlic. I'm going to put half of the oil in this pan and heat it a bit. And I'm going to begin to saute the shrimps until they turn pink. The shrimps are ready to go. I'm going to just pick them up and put them on the side. I strained my pasta. It's perfectly al dente. Now I'm going to take these beautiful shrimps and put them around the plate. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe and bon appetit.